So now, I'm making this game called United States Clicker Redux, and I thought, wouldn't it be a pretty nice idea if I made a tutorial while I'm at it? So here I am. So basically, here's the game right now. So basically, I made these sprites with a program or something that like lets you draw into like pixel art. So basically, I made these like little characters, and yeah. Well, nobody told me that they're okay. Well, that. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to make a cookie clicker game. So, yeah, this is how the game works. You just, there's basically something in the middle or something that you have to click continuously in order to get, more points or cash, so you can unlock more upgrades, which will, allow you to, upgrade quicker and stuff, and it'll help you buy stuff. Now, here, we unlock Canada, which gives us 1 point each second. Now with that advantage, we can keep on clicking until we reach 150 points. What just happened? Okay. Now basically, it's like that, okay? You click on Polish ball, he unlocks so-and-so, yeah. Anyways, so first, let's press save now because we do not want to exit out of our project. And then let's go to the main menu of Scratch. So, basically, if you're new to Scratch, it'll look like this. On the what's happening side, it'll show you all the stuff that, whatever. And so basically, you want to create a project. Let's create our project. So I'm guessing you've already gotten your project created, but if you don't, it's pretty good to do that right now because, why wouldn't you? Anyways, let's just name it something random like YouTube tutorial. Yeah, like that. And now, here we have Scratch Cat, alright? Now, just so we don't accidentally move him in the editor a lot, let's go to when green flagged click, and let's put a forever loop. And inside of that, we are going to put go to said location. Now, whenever we accidentally move something a bit, it's going to snap back to its original place. Cool, right? Yeah, I agree. Now there's basically not that much things going on, really, there's nothing going on. It's just Scratch Cat with, a forever loop, and that's pretty much it. Nothing else, right? Well, we can go to okay, so first, we can add a when this sprite clicked variable, I don't know. And basically, we're going to add so basically, we're going to go to variables. Now, just so we don't you can delete my variable, or you can just rename it for me. I'm just going to rename it for now because really it takes too much energy to press the make a variable button, I guess. But still. Anyways, let's name it to points. So there, we've got our point system. You want to check it so it can appear right on here. So now, when this sprite is clicked, it will change points by 1. Sure, it does that, but like, I mean, it really does nothing. Well, first, let's go back to this forever loop, and on top of it, we'll put set points to 0. So whenever I reset the game, see, if I keep clicking, and then I hit the red sign, and then I put the green side back, there's gonna be no points anymore. So, when, say, now that we got that done, when we click this sprite, it is going to do an animation. So let's make it do an animation. Now, it's gonna look something pretty cool, I guess. So when this sprite is clicked, it is going to, I don't know, make random sound when it, I don't know, let's find a click sounder. So, anyways, you don't always have to use sound effects from different websites. You can always just use the good old pop sound effect. But yeah, you do not want to use start sound. You want to, actually you don't want to do start sound. You do not want to play sound until done, because what that will do is it'll play the sound, but then when it's done, it's going to start doing the animation. So you want it to do the sound while it's doing the animation. So basically, let's find a good size for Scratchcat when we click them. That looks pretty good. Now let's set the size up here to 0. Let me go to the looks real quick. Set the size to 0. There. So now, all we gotta do, we gotta go to set size to 150. Actually, let's put that on top of the repeat loop. Anyways, now, when the sprite is clicked, it will play a sound, and then it will set the size to 150. But it stays like 150, so that's kind of bad. We don't want that to stay like that. You know? We want it to keep on, getting smaller and stuff. Now, what we do next is we put change size by in this repeat loop, and we put a minus or a dash, and we put 10. And then we go to here, and then replace it with 5. What this will do, will make them go down like that specific time. Now, if you want it to go slower, you can do, for the repeat, you can put 50, and for change size by, you can put -1. But overall, it's just to your, Anyways, if you do, however, want to go a little smidge faster, then do so. You can adjust the speed if you want, but make sure you choose both of them, because once you've been done clicking it and the animation's done, it'll stay at a different size instead of 100. So it'll be kind of off, and that'll be bad. But I mean, hey, I guess. Anyways, so now we got that covered. Let's go and make some upgrades. Now, let's add some different characters. Say, let's find something, shall we? Now, let's see. Oh yeah, we can use Dot as a sprite. He's going to be here in the corner of the screen. So first, we want to set his size to 30. But if it's too small, then you just gotta adjust it because it depends a bit. Anyways, let's just put it, you can put it anywhere really. It doesn't really matter. It won't, affect how it works or anything. So, as always, we're going to go to when green flag clicked, forever, and get in set position. So now when we accidentally bump into him a bit, he's going to snap back into the original spot he was. Kind of like Scratch Cat. Anyways, now we want to edit this. Now, we want it to indicate that you can't get it because you don't have enough money. So let's change his effect. We actually want to set his effect. I am pretty bleh with that. And we want to set ghost effect to 50. So he's right there in the corner, but we really can't click on him, and we really don't even know that he's a power-up overall. We're just gonna see him and oh, I guess that's the creator's logo. So what we want to do is we want to go to costumes, and you want to add a price tag, you want to add a little price. So see, if you want your friend or your friend dog to help you out, that's gonna cost you $15. So like that, see? $15. Now we got to we gotta go and add when green flag clicked, a forever loop, and 2 if groups. And we want to go to operations. We want to put an equals, a greater, and less thing. So now we want to put this at said price. So 15 and 15. Now I want to go to points. Now basically what this will do, if the points are so and so, then it will do a specific act. So for example, if the points are less than the amount of 15, then what it'll do is it'll set the ghost effect to 50, and we really don't need to put it there anymore because it's gonna stay like that. Anyways, oops, I forgot to turn it at the bottom. Okay, so now if 15 is greater than the points, whatever points you have, then you can set the ghost effect to 50, and it'll do nothing. You can add a little custom sound effect to tell you that you can't buy it yet, and you need so and so money, but we're not going to do that in this video since I literally do not even know how to do that. I know how to do the sounds part, but I don't really know how to do the message part, so we're just going to not do that for now. Anyways, we have this blank spot in the if loop. So what we want to do is we want to place if points are greater than 15, then we want it to play, let's just say, a random sound. I think bark would fit him because, well, it's the bark and it's the good old dog sound, dogs bark, it really fits him. Because he's an astronaut dog, I guess. Because he has a space helmet. I don't know. Anyways, so now he'll start that sound, but just wait. Okay, we'll save that for later. Well, yeah, he will he could start the sound to alert the player that there's a new upgrade available. That's a good idea. And we want to go to set so-and-so effect to 0. That effect is going to be ghost. And we're going to keep it at 0. If you put it at 100, then the dog will be completely gone and you can't see him at all because the transparency is so high and all that. Anyways, so we click, and then we get to 15. Yes, they're perfect. Yeah, that's a lot. Anyways, let's not put that in a forever loop. And what we want to do is we want to duplicate this, put that back, put this away, and then we'll want to put this, bark, good. Now let's see if it doesn't do that annoying sound again. Okay, it doesn't do the sound, but who cares for now? Anyways, so it's going to set the ghost effect to 0, and then once you click it, when this sprite is clicked, we want to take this, and we want to, now it's going to play the sound bark, oh well, and it is going to find whether, and it's going to, we're going to make a new variable, and we're going to make it auto clicker. This is basically already how you expect. It's an auto clicker. So, what we're going to do is we're going to hide it for now, and we're going to start the sound bark, and then we're going to change points by -15. And we're also going to change auto clicker by 1. And just so we make sure, we're going to set auto clicker to 0 at the beginning. So say I'm just clicking, and then, oh look, our friend dog is here. And then here we don't get any points. That's odd. What are we supposed to do? Well, now we're supposed to go to, well, you can go to the backdrops or the sprite. It really doesn't matter, I guess. But we want to put when green flag click, we want to put a forever loop. And in that forever loop, we want to put, wait 1 second, and we want to put change points by auto clicker. So what that will do is, now that we have 0 points, we can unlock them now, and so forth. Boom, we unlock them, and then here we get a point each and every second. So that, my friends, is how you get the upgrades done. Isn't that pretty cool? You can also add particles in the background, which I really don't know if I would be really willing to do that right now. But I mean, hey, it's not too important. If you want to do it, that's okay. But really, meh. Okay, it's gotta work. Okay, thanks. So now you have your clicker game. Good job. And you can also add your own different custom upgrades. You can also make the upgrades you can also make one, how I do it, when you unlock one upgrade, then you can unlock the other upgrade. See? That's pretty cool, right? And you can even keep, getting the upgrade. So, if we tap, a lot here, and I'm tapping a lot because my Chromebook has touch screen. Now we can get multiple dogs. And those dogs will all click the cat. I don't know. But yeah, that, my friends, is how you make a cookie clicker game. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was I hope it really helped you. And overall, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!